Hey y'all, happy Sunday. I went to Bedside Baptist this morning. What y'all do? What did you do? I'm curious. Don't play with this pollen. It tried to take me out a couple days ago. It did. It told me to sit down. But guess what? The shirt explains it all. So I always start off with laying my eyebrows down with edge control.
The ghetto! The ghetto.
Today I'm gonna use Aunt Jackie's edge control. I feel like it just gives it a nice base. It holds your eyebrows down. They're not gonna go anywhere. No flyaways, none of that. And it also defines the shape of the brow. I use Eco Styler. I use whatever edge control that doesn't flake, honestly. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal eyebrow pencil in dark brunette and just draw a straight line from here, the tip, to the arch. Whoa, no, don't do that.
I wish I was both-handed, cause this shit here is overrated.
You see? Just a straight line. Go from the top, very lightly, and sketch out where you want your brow to be or look like. And you're gonna get the little brush and just brush out the front so it's not as harsh. So that's one eyebrow. Now you do the same thing on the other side. Okay, eyebrows. We're looking very unique today. Love that for me. Conceal. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Master Conceal in Medium Deep. I got this from Walmart, and we're gonna fix this because we're looking a little, put a little bit on your hand, not a lot, it's a little dab. Okay, the brush that you use to conceal your brows is the make or break point. You need a good brush. This is RealTechniques. It is angled, it is square, it is sharp and sturdy. Get a brush like this and then dab a little bit in and get going. You really need to dig down deep inside and find that inner artist in you, because you need to go Picasso on these brows. That's the most important part, your brows. I'm very nervous to do this on camera, but YOLO, again. Just carve it out. That's all you're doing. Carving it out, make sure the tail is sharp, because that's the most important part. I say everything is the most important part, but everything is the most important part. So nice and sharp, just like that. Go on the top a little bit. Okay, y'all get the point. Just make it nice and crispy. I can't do this on camera, so I'll be back with some carve. These are my brows all carved out. As you can see, the tail is very sharp. I was very precise with the concealer. So I'm gonna get some tissue and just wipe off the concealer. These are the final brows and I'm in love. Look how neat and clean they look. They are sisters, never twins. To complete our look, we're just gonna add some lashes and we'll be done. Now, for my lashes, I like a natural lash. I use the Wispies with the Duo. It's broken, I know. The Duo Black eyelash glue. You don't need a lot of glue, but let it dry down a little bit. And I like to start from the inner corner. No, outer corner. And just get as close as possible. Pop it on. I know I just made that look low-key easy, but literally that took years of practice. Literally years. I like using the black because if you mess up, it'll dry and look like eyeliner. Let that dry and then do the other eye. And we are done, you guys. This is my go-to look for the summertime when I don't want to wear a full face, but I still want to look like I put some effort into it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you next video. Bye!